I'm Leonardo.
I'm Taka.
And I'm Arian. We're the team behind Vision Aries, a wearable device designed for occupational use and prosumers.
My team and I noticed that modern smart glasses are still heavily dependent on smartphones or nearby cellular devices to function. Most of them also lack the processing power to run applications like web browsing on their own, which makes them more of an accessory than a true standalone device. This becomes especially limiting in occupational settings, where workers need quick, hands-free access to information. Instead, they are forced to rely on another device, which goes against the purpose of wearable technology.
Introducing Vision Aries. Vision Aries is a high-powered wearable device engineered for occupational use and prosumers. Created with a modular design, it's all built with off-the-shelf parts. It's a brilliant internet-capable device, and it's high-powered enough to handle offline tasks when you need them done. The standout display is an excellent high-resolution screen designed to make it easy to read, write, and anything else you throw at it. Vision Aries delivers a high-performance computing experience right when you need it.
Vision Aries is a wearable device with software founded upon Linux and developed in Python. It integrates Google's Gemini AI to deliver real-time responses through a streamlined interface, and the system itself handles voice input, AI processing, and on-device display to create a fast, informative user experience.
This is our fully functioning user interface for the Vision Aries. As you can see, there are a number of applications, all accomplishing different tasks, however serving the same goal of assisting the user to have a positive, hands-free, and effective experience. This unified approach minimizes distraction and maximizes productivity across all features. Firstly, take a look at our voice command feature.
Hey Aries, open the web browser and search for dogs.
Our AI for the glasses is powered by Google's Gemini. Imagine wearing Vision Aries while facing a task you don't know how to accomplish, such as changing a car battery. With Gemini on the Vision Aries, you can access step-by-step instructions hands-free, allowing you to focus completely on the task at hand while simultaneously reading on how to do it. For simple everyday needs, like checking the weather before stepping outside, Gemini transforms Vision Aries into a powerful, convenient tool that eliminates the need to constantly reach for your phone.
Thanks for taking a first look at Vision Aries.
We'd love for you to come check out our booth at the IT Expo on April 14th.
Can't wait to see you there.